Home Depot Pro Extra Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but Home Depot offers more than just tools. The Pro Extra Credit Card is built for contractors, small business owners, and serious buyers who want savings, financing, and purchase tracking. Cardholders get special financing offers, bulk pricing, and spending insights that help manage business expenses. You can also access exclusive discounts and extended return periods. This card is perfect for anyone who regularly shops at Home Depot for business projects. If you rarely shop there, the card may not be worth it. In 2025, the Pro Extra card is a strong tool for managing and reducing project costs.